Hello, hello, hello. Good morning from Surin Beach in Phuket. So this morning we come here in Surin Beach. See a little bit here. I'm gonna show you. It's a beautiful day today. Let me show you here. Looks a very beautiful day. Get a walk here on the beach. See the ocean. Let's see if we're gonna fly the drone here a little bit and see. It looks really, really, really beautiful. I can tell you that so far is one of the most beautiful beach I have seen here in Phuket. Doesn't have here so many construction, many palm tree. Very nice. Look at this palm tree here. It's full of palm tree. And you have here, and you can surf here too. Kind of a little bit. All right, okay. Well, let's see here a little bit because it actually looks really beautiful here. Let's see if we can fly this drone. Let's see if we can go here where there is no sun. And let's drive the drone. Let's fly the drone and see what we can see from the sky. All right, okay. Here you got some vendors. They're starting to set up. You got some food, you got some drink here. I showed you. Got a nice place here to eat if you're hungry. Got some food. And you got many other places here as you go. So like I say, it's a beautiful beach. And you got some place to eat and drink too. So very good. You got a lot of nature here, a lot of tree. It's just beautiful here. Just beautiful, beautiful. I love it. This is the best day I think so far here in Phuket, because I just love it here. So hello. So here we are now, duck point transfer. This we are going to visit Paradise Beach. The ticket is 100 baht, and you just pay. I guess it's a private beach practically. So you just come here, park the car up there or the bike. Or your taxi can wait for you there, the parking up here, and you come here, you pay a ticket, 100 baht, and you wait for the shuttle. The shuttle takes you down, you go to Paradise Beach, and the shuttle gonna take you up after when you're done practically. And look at here what we have. Hello. Meow. Hello. Hello. Nicey. Hello. Nice little cat. All right, okay. So here we are, waiting for the shuttle. As soon as the shuttle comes, we're gonna go down and we're gonna visit this Paradise Beach in Phuket. Okay, guys, here we are on the shuttle, and we're going down to the beach. Let me show you here. Cannot show you this side because you cannot see nothing, so I'll show you the back. But so far looks very beautiful here, very much in the nature. So let's see what, oh, here we're picking up somebody else. Hi. Hello. And now we continue going down. Okay, so this is the entrance to the beach. Get your drink here. Of course, there's not so many people, so it's closed. But here you can see. Let's go look at this beach. And here we are. Look at this beach. Look how beautiful it is. Just beautiful and gorgeous. You have to admit that Phuket has some very, 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 very nice and beautiful beaches. Let's go here, let's go have a drink. Let's get a nice drink and let's see what they have here. Something good to drink. They have some nice fresh fruit here, so let's see what they have.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, sir. You want something?
Let's see if they have something here to drink. YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Let's see what they have now to drink here. They have many fresh fruit. Let's see if we can get something very good, and I will tell you how it is. So guys, we ordered some bruschetta here. It's very good, actually. I like them, and the girls here are very nice. They're smiling. And that's the other. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
They are very nice here. I will tell you something. If you come to Phuket, yes, come to Paradise Beach. It's very beautiful. You can eat something, you can drink something. It's a nice vibe. It's very beautiful. You can have some fun here in You can pass the day practically here. Alright, okay. I'm gonna finish eating and then we're gonna go back to Phuket town. And let's go see Phuket town. Alright, okay guys, we're going. Say bye to all these gods. Bye! Alright, okay. Let's go wait for the shuttle and let's go back up. And this is the exit here. And you see here is the point view where you wait. Alright, okay. Say hi to YouTube.
Oh, you do?
Alright, okay, so here you wait, guys. You just sit here and you wait for your shuttle to come. And when the shuttle comes, you go back up. Like I told you, it's a private beach and it's just beautiful. Absolutely, you have to come here if you come to Phuket. Alright, okay, now yes, see you later. Bye.